I was going to show you how I go into Planet Fitness and get ready for bed, take a shower. So I bring in a change of clothes when I go into Planet Fitness. To get my clothes, I have my pants and my shorts in my back cabinet there, and then I have my sweaters and sweatshirts up here and t-shirts in here. Then I have my underwear and socks underneath my floor, so I have to open the door as I get out and grab them, but it's pretty easy. And then I have my gym bag, which can get like sweaty and gross. I keep that in my cargo box up top, and I keep all my dirty clothes in a IKEA blue bag up top. So in order for me to go from in the van right now with it snowing into Planet Fitness to go do everything to get ready for bed, I have to figure out what clothes I want, grab them out of here, grab my underwear, socks from the floor, then go around to the side, open up my cargo box, grab my gym bag, put my clothes and stuff in it, and then go inside. And then on my way out, I open up my cargo box, I put my dirty clothes away, I put my gym bag up there, close it, and then I can just get in, and it's easy getting back into the van, ready for bed. My toothbrush and toothpaste, my toiletry bag that has my Wellbutrin 150 milligrams and my Zoloft. Almost forgot my towel. Try and make this quick. Oh, it's so cold. I discovered that my face wash and shampoo froze by being in my cargo box on the roof, so I can't put it up there anymore. Now I'm going to show you what it's like setting up my bed for the night. It's very easy. All I got to do is undo my pin down here, which is holding the bed up in this couch-like seating with this like 90-degree angle like a couch. Super easy. With that pin out, I just pull this down. This is the grab handle for when you want to put it back up, and I usually just tuck it down under the cushion like that. Now here is a blanket that I have that's going to be underneath my sleeping bag, and it's all just wound up at the back there. So all I got to do is take it like that, and then one more, and now my sleeping bag is all set up here, goes all the way to the back there, and this is a 0-degree sleeping bag, and it's worked out great so far. So I just take my boots off and I leave them on a doormat that I have next to the door. Here I have a body pillow. Then all I gotta do is unzip my sleeping bag from the side here. And then I just sleep like this. I've got 2 pillows. The sleeping bag keeps me warm. And then because I am unlucky enough to have sleep apnea at 24 years old, I take my CPAP machine mask and I put that on. And now I look like an insane person. And then I would normally grab either this hat or I have another hat that's a little bigger. Put that on, and I usually cover my eyes to keep it a little darker. And then I am ready to sleep. And I usually wear compression pants and a compression shirt and then some long socks. Yeah, that's usually what I wear to bed. Here's how dark it is inside with the lights off.